Hey guys, today we're going to learn how to perform a port scan using the command prompt and the built-in Netstat tool. The Netstat tool will display a list of all active TCP connections, including the local and remote IP addresses and ports, as well as the process ID, PID, associated with each connection. This information can be useful for identifying open ports and services on a target system. Let me quickly show you the demonstration. Step 1. Open the command prompt as an administrator. Step 2. In the command prompt, type the command netstat, ano to display a list of all active TCP connections and listening ports. Netstat, ano. This allows administrators to monitor network activity in real time and identify any suspicious or unauthorized connections. Thank you for watching.